on Saturday, we had a huge snowstorm with hundreds of trees falling and snow covering every inch of everything. So today, we're going to be taking the sleds out. We're going to be sledding all these hills before the snow melts away. We're on our way to the first hill, and we just came to the barn and saw all this snow and ice hanging off of there, and now we're gonna try to break it off. Oh, that sounded so cool. Bicycles just like go through all of them like a bat. Oh. We're out in the field and the sky is looking really nice. So I'm gonna be going down here and then we're gonna be making our way over to the big hill over there. Oh. Ah. We just found what looks like an absolute perfect footprint. Like, literally, like a perfect footprint in the snow. Okay. Yeah, we're at our destination. My dad's going backwards. Oh, this is so horrifying. Oh. Oh! 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 Oh, I'm at an angle. Oh. Hills, so we're heading back. That's it for me tonight. Have a good night and keep those master links tight.